Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? Warm welcome to Aftab Forex. Let me do some quick settings first, okay? Then we start our proper procedures, I should say. Court hearings, I should say. No serious stuff, okay? A little bit of jokes will be there. How is everyone doing? Did you trade gold yesterday? How was that? Oh, I will be looking at it again, okay? Today with all of you. I'm like more used to this live stream these days. I don't trade like to trade alone. I don't like. I like to trade with you. I want to offer you guys an apple. Here is an important saying: an apple a day keeps a doctor away. It came down to around 4,000. Okay, 39.98. Thank God I did not traded it. I will be analyzing it as well today. Anyone holding anyone holding any type of position trades, do let me know so I know. I'm holding some position trades, okay? You know, I just opened a chart. Let me tell you, when I open a chart, what I look for. There is a nice story present in front of me on 5 minute. But obviously, I might not be trading it. Or I might be trading it. We have to find out the analysis for the gold. The direction of the gold today. Just like yesterday. Kumar Reddy, namaste. समद सिद्दीकी फिब के मतलब सर आप 1 मिनट 5 मिनट में ट्रेड सिर्फ लोग करें हमने स्मॉल टाइम फ्रेम में फिब का कमाल देखना है. Oh, Samad Siddiqui, yesterday if you were with me, you must have seen, okay, that what actually happened yesterday. If you want to see the magic on the lower time frames, here that is. How many of you are bullish? How many of you are bearish? Let's wait for all those late comers. Late comers, usually late comers. Even yesterday I said try to come to the live stream and sit right here very nicely on time. But again, like, we need to be punctual in order to become what? To become disciplined, we need to be punctual. My friends, the story on the gold US dollar, can be a lot different today. Okay, can be a lot different. This is now doing something very different. I would like to see if it can go to, let's see, okay, what's the actual direction of the market. I think market will remain be the same as yesterday, not falling one good direction. So obviously we'll be quickly scalping, okay? Let's see. There I see something. I see something right here. Okay. Oh, this is the situation. Oh man, this is so easily tradable on the 1 minute. Wow. Yes, my friend, this is so easily tradable. But I got the story for today, okay? I will be sharing with you as well. Okay, my friend, this is so easy today. Let's do the levels and stuff. Let's look at the 5 minute as well. Okay. I missed a sort of a good opportunity, but no problem. There is this consolidation as well it has created. Let's see it on the lower time frames. And there is this consolidation zone it has created right here as well. Stop loss is bigger right here as well. Let's see, okay. Try to look always to the left, okay, as this. Now yesterday what I said right here, what I said, do you remember? Try to remember these things, okay? What I said when we were yesterday right here. Right here, yesterday I got stopped out with 156 pips. The one that I bought maybe from right here somewhere. Uh, then I took another buy for 72 pips of a take profit, then 13 pips of a stop loss, then 14 pips of a scalping stop loss, and then finally that 156 pips of a stop loss. And you will know how I managed it yesterday. I managed that on all in front of you, okay? So let's see. We have to find out. Okay, I got 15 pips quick from the market. Today, my friends, I would like to first recover my yesterday's loss. Most of the traders do this mistake. Okay, so yes, we will be recovering the losses. We will be doing each and everything. All right here, transparently, I want to do it in front of you. Simple is always better. Dakir FX, as a swing trader, is gold get a good setup today? Let's see, we will be finding out. अमार साजिद वालेकुम अस्सलाम. फिब के मुताबिक सर. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are going to find out. 15 pips book as a first trade of the day. 15 pips, but this market today can give us like 300-400 pips, so keep this thing in mind. How I going to trade and how I will be giving that trade to you, that will be right here in front of us, whether it is to the buy side of the market, whether it is to the sell side of the market. Everything, I don't hide things from you. Everything will be transparently in front of you. I mean, see, little like this consolidation zone, yesterday's one. Now, what is that simple thing that these candles telling us, and then what was that simple thing which these candles were telling us yesterday? Let's see. Then it also gave profit again as well. These two candles showing us a sell. Then you will remember I then closed my deal as well. I have a little bit. If this continues, how far it can come? At least till here it should come. 203 pips I'm targeting, but this trade might not be for everyone. Okay, this is market, anything can happen. We have a wick right here as well to this side of the market right here. Let's observe our trade, and if I need I can then later add more positions as well. Have a look at this pattern on the lower time frames. See, this is what I call slight divergence, but this is 1 minute time frame, so things moves very quickly right here. Okay, things moves very quickly, so yes, you need to keep this thing in mind. And then there is this level as well which have a little bit of consolidation. Now this is that learning thing from us. See, this candle is a bullish engulfing. Now that day I also have told you what is a bullish engulfing. If we see, this candle is not bigger just in itself, but it is bigger than this and this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 minutes of candles worth of sellers were taken on one candle, and then the next minute it also go bullish, and then the next minute it go bullish. But since after that we have got this top, so that is what decides actually the market structures. So I'm targeting how much right here. If we see, today my stop loss is 119 pips. And I would like your participation in this stream, because I do give you the educational stuff as well. Okay, everyone, because you know, in this fast paced world, who is giving education these days? This is your brother Aftab, who will always be giving you educations right here, who will be hitting his stop loss just to teach you a method, a methodology. Side by side there will be this going on as well on the euro. Nicely rejection yesterday from there, not yesterday but on Friday. Then this is Monday, now today is Tuesday. if I'm right. Today is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Dollar CHF hit my level, and now let's see what it gives us, because I literally try to trade each and every pair if I get a chance. This level can be a little bit risky, so maybe let's see if it breaks out, we can again take a trade, but at least for now this is what it is. Okay, seems like it is breaking, seems like it is breaking. And when I change these colors, it means something. Okay, these colors means something. No, not a buy or a sell, it has some other strategy stuff going on right here. Okay, I have discussed it on Friday to all of you last week. The whole week, that time I discussed everything, pretty much everything. Today, let's see what this market further gives us, because in the longer run now things are a little bit to the other side of the market. 119 pips is on risk. And here is a disclaimer, this is not a trade signal, this is not a trade advice or something. These are just my personal trades, okay everyone. Now we will need to observe it on the 5 minute right here, because on the 5 minute this is a big bearish engulfing. But this is also not an ordinary one, this is a, see these candles in my live streams, I just want to give you the candlestick readings, what and how each and every candle, what it tells us. In a very short time you will become a good master of uh, candlesticks. In a very short time, I have to make you masters of it. You don't need to pay anyone for the courses or anything. Now those who are selling the courses are messaging me, hey, why you are explaining these candlesticks just free of cost to everyone? Because I like to, because I like, because I don't want to earn from people teaching them this live candlestick, that okay what this candle is showing us, and in different situations every time the situation is different. So for example, if I say when you see such candle immediately buy, every time it may not be buying. See, those who bought on this candle are immediately in 57 pips of a drawdown. So some things needs explanation, and that's why I explain these things so you understand it. And yes, even the strategy I will teach in one-on-one session, everything. But I think the candlestick patterns, this is like, yes, there are some of my favorite patterns. Time to time I will be sharing it with you, but maybe right here when it forms, then I will be able to share it. Because once a level is not formed, how can I say that okay, or once a pattern is not formed, how can I say that in advance about that pattern? So the market will be giving me this pattern, then I will be saying that okay, what's going to happen next. Now this candle is, what is it telling us? Yesterday I said it. Now put some pressure over your mind. And yesterday I said something about such candle. When a red candle, see, a bullish engulfing, a red engulfing, and then another big volume candle. I said it yesterday, you will remember. Yesterday in the stream. Because it tells us that story. And there are plenty of opportunities on regular basis that we can get from this market. Plenty of them. Not one, not two, not three. Plenty of them. You know, this is what we need to make it a business. This candle, I have told something about this candle yesterday. Such candle. Now, this is a pretty much good surety area as well right here. Accumulation going on as well right here. And yesterday during the whole session it was showing bullish, then later in the night it dropped. So Asian low is not yet taken over, but it doesn't mean we are going to sell till here. Okay, these are just quick scalping trades I'm taking right now, because the position trade I'm going to take in front of you properly. I will be explaining it, but wait first for this level, what this level gives us. Every move depend on the situation we have in the market. If the situation is good, the market will be behaving nicely. That day when I was discussing the market mood, now I want to ask you, there are, like, we as a human, if we have mood, don't you think this market will have a mood? It will have a mood. Why? Because see, the market move is dependent on the formation of the candles. I mean, even look at this candle right now. There are humans behind this candle. Okay, and that is on the M5. So on the 1 minute, if you see, it should look as this. Twenty pips it's giving me. 25. But obviously there will be wicks. Okay, because the next candle, if open, can again go back up there. 60 pips. Where here we have another candle as well. So this level is going to be super important for us. Just one moment, okay? I'll be back. Understand the market this way. Once you understand the market this way, believe me, that day is not far away. You will be already making good profits. Where is my take profit? Let's delete this line. My take profit for now is 4019. But maybe I think let's see, because there is this huge wick rejection as well right here. So market obviously can like struggle right here for a while. See this wick. What do you say? Shall I pick this 68 pips from the market? Let's wait. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Oh, where is my chart gone? I booked 52 pips for now. So 52 plus 15. Now let's wait for it to retrace a back, then I again sell. These are these levels, my friends, okay? So it struggled right here as well. Okay, I'm coming to your chat if you have any. Ziaur Rahman, very nice, thank you so much. Guys, you did not give me any likes or anything. As soon as the market opened, we have got 65, 67 pips from the market. What else do we need? Um, do we need anything else? Now we have to find out that okay, what's going on next. There is one thing going on in the market right now, right here. If we see, if one person understands this one thing, believe me, that person is successful forever and ever. Forever, that person will be successful. Because there is something in this market that we are ignoring most of the time. We need to see and understand this as well right here at this level as well, and then we also need to see that okay, what these sellers are doing, because then we will get the real essence of this market, the real message of this market which is telling us. And believe me, there is RSI behind these moves. Okay, so one need to understand the RSI as well. Now again I will be looking for another position, but you just stay with me and see. I will be communicating that with you as well. Newcomers, let me tell you, 67 pips already booked. Now on the 1 minute, if we see those H4 and daily time frames, I do discuss them in the recorded videos pretty much, and we will be looking at that, no problem. But the thing is, sometimes the market will be playing on one time frame, sometimes on the other. Right here we have a bullish engulfing on the H4 at this moment, with a very big wick of around 200 pips. The wick was alone 200 pips. So don't we think there might be a reaction coming right here? It will be coming. We cannot deny that fact. That reaction will be coming. But from right here till here we've got two trades of 67 pips, 15 pips and 52 pips. So now we need a little bit, maybe if this breakout is going to occur, how that breakout will be, how I'm going to trade, how we are going to trade. This is another financial advice. Everyone should properly trade with their own risk management. Okay, risk management, proper stop losses. If one go, will always be successful. One who don't understand the market structure, who have problems with. I will be moving on to the higher time frames now as well. Okay, so don't worry about that. But when I open the chart, I try to see that what is going on the lower time frames, because if I understand the market right now on the lower time frame, then I will be able to see that okay, what those higher time frames are showing me. And higher time frames, I anyways discussed it in the weekly forecasts as well. So right now at this particular moment, what is important for us is to look at the behavior of the traders and then trade according to them. What the market maker is doing, where is the liquidity, where is not the liquidity, which side is stronger, the bullish or the bearish. Everything we need to understand, and everything we need to find out that okay, if let's say if this is a level, right, if this is a level, then if we see it on the H1 time frame, we need to study it right here. I uploaded a video later. When you get a chance, make sure to check it out, how I analyze the market. I gave a very important point in that. Okay, so when we take confirmations from the higher time frames, on the lower time frames it just become a piece of cake. Simply, honestly, I'm telling you, don't pay anyone any course fee or stuff for this. This is that VSA, and this is that Fibonacci, and this is that ABCD. Forget about everything. On the lower time frames, you just need candles, how they forms and how they react, but on the lower time frame. Okay, and you will have that ABCD pattern backed up from the. Then there are the smart money concepts, then the fair value gaps. I don't consider any of them, honestly speaking. I just look at it with my, under the light of my own formula that I have discovered. Now see, if I was looking at this, I could easily get 38 pips from right here, but this is also my methodology, that I try to look at one side of the market. Then this market brings miracles for me. Like for example, right now what happened right here? See, a false break below. Why this false break below? Because we have also this level which was holding this one. And by the time if we extend it, this level will be a decision point for us right here, that we need to understand. We need to properly see that okay, what this level can further give us. The way we let me sit a little bit comfortably. Okay, yes, my friends, because after all we are making money right here, so I should be comfortable. Still today I have a little bit headache to this side. By the way, this is my left side. Okay, it may seem right to you, but this is the left side. This is the webcam setting, stuff like that. Then we have to understand that what the market actually previously did. Most traders don't understand this, and I keep telling them that, unless, see, look at it this way, when we don't look at the market what it did previously, number one, and what is it doing it right here now. Okay, now remember, what is it doing right now is I'm enjoying. This is an enjoyable process for me. Why? Because I thoroughly studied everything. So once we forget the market right here and we study it a little bit backward, for example, if this is a level, what this level is telling us, What this is telling us, if these sellers are came from right here, the scalping sellers, why they came right here? They came right here because they saw something, and I'm on this mission to discuss each and every candle to all of you, with all of you, and feel comfortable. This is your own live stream, my friend. Okay, no one is going to judge you. Try to be open about your positions, how long you stay in the market, and what is your bad trade. You can let me know in the chat right here. And you know, I don't try, I'm not afraid of any judgments or stuff personally, because I have no doubt, I have no fear. When you have no fear of losses, when you have no fear of any judgment, then things will be moving in your favor forever and ever and ever. Believe me, things start to get worse when we don't understand markets. Let's see. Okay, I'm again trying to be looking it for, let's see, we have like in this 5 minute candle to close, we have 3 minutes, and this is a bullish engulfing on the 5 minute. So they might be trying to push back first till here, 35 pips further. This was their entry. 57 pips they are looking for. 40 pips was the stop loss. But like we have seen now a break below from this zone as well. So things might be a little bit tricky right here. But don't worry, even if the markets are tricky, we will be finding out the levels. Not a problem at all. Coyote Samuel, thanks a lot. Oh, you are welcome, my friend. This is my duty. Hey guys, you didn't give me complete likes. 15 watching, just 8 likes. I mean, like, please, this is a motivation for me. Don't let me down in front of those people who are teaching candlesticks for money. I'm teaching it free of cost. Each and every candle, even yesterday was discussed, and even I am on this mission to teach these levels, these candlesticks. So what this candle is now telling us, this candle is now telling us that there is a high probability that market is trying to take over this level, reach this level. Now remember, reaching there, not reaching there, that is a total different story. But these traders who bought from right here have a 40 pips of a stop loss and 75 pips of a take profit, and maybe the take profit can continue back to from here. Okay, and even on this one candle, if I show you why, there will be a Fibonacci number. Who asked me at the start of the session? See, on this each one candle I am doing this Fibonacci thing for you. See, open, close, the next candle open, came back down, took a 61.8% retracement, continue back up. This much simple it is. Okay, 5 minute candle closed bullish. Another is further, seems like 35 pips further pips up move, and this way we will be getting the real fun out of this market. The real fun is not in chasing the market. The real fun is understanding the market, understanding the candlesticks, where they form, how they form, if a level is formed, what that level tells us, if one candle is bigger than another one, what that tells us. In each and every situations that day, what I said yesterday on the 15 minute, I guess on the 1 minute yesterday, what I said right here, you will remember, market was right here. Okay, right here I said market is going to take a retest of the low. It did, and then it continued. Why? Because there was something backed up on the lower time frames, and once we understand this truth, believe me, things are going to change for you. So 67 pips effortlessly I booked today. I'm waiting for 15-minute candle to close, then maybe let's see. Okay, one confirmation candle right here, then it can tell me for a good trade. Seems like first the bulls are going to be trapped, then the bears are going to be trapped, and this is how this market is, and it will be as this forever. We need to align our studies with it. We need to align ourselves, because if we don't align ourselves means we are missing on something very beautiful. Okay, I booked further 21 pips from it. So 72, no, 67 plus 22. Where is my pen? Let me write it down. I made 15 pips in the one trade, 52 pips in the other trade, and 21 pips in this one. So 7, 8, 88 pips already I booked without even waiting for a big move to come. Just on the basis of the candles. And for how many of the traders, even 100 pips a day is a target. Just 100 pips a day. So maybe one more a good trade of a 12 pips and I'm done for the day, if I say. Okay. So now let's wait. Okay. Further wait for another opportunity. We are not going to be in a rush, my friend. The one who just be in a rush is a complete failure then. We have to be properly. Now for example, if this market drops and I say, oh, I just closed in 21 pips and why I did not book more, that is a losing mindset. Okay, losing thought process, I should say. That will be a losing thought process. Dakir FX, answer me sir, as a swing trader, is gold gives a good setup? Well my friend, it depends. If you ask me today, we have to see. Okay, we have to confirm. Power, I place a trade to upside in GBPUSD. Well, GBPUSD, I will be discussing that as well for the position traders as well. Okay, so I hope it is a position trade you took. Dagir, didn't you see my weekly forecast, my friend, for gold? Then I mind these things a little bit, that you guys, why you don't watch those videos? Position trades, my friend, we need to wait for confirmations. Where is the confirmation for a position, proper position trade? There is just this big huge sell candle right here, very huge. I mean, see this huge candle right here. So even this level might not be that much important today. 4031 can be an important one, but if it broke, then we have to see that if it broke, then market, consider this market straight on 4008 again. But that's why I'm looking at it on the lower time frames to find out that okay, what it can give us further. This is that little hidden secret that I want to reveal in front of you. 16 watching, just 9 likes. Guys, this is not justice, okay? This is not justice. Please make it 16 right now. Please, my friends, I request you. Make it 16. Thank you. One like increased. Dakir, did you get my point, my friend? I hope you do. If you have any stuck trade, you can WhatsApp me. So I will guide you a little bit further, because if I try to explain the position trades right now, everyone will be taking it. And the problem is not everyone taking a position trade. The problem is there is something that I will be revealing later. Okay, I will be revealing that reason just like yesterday I did. Because the moment I this is one harsh reality, the moment I disclose my long-term opinion, most of you will just leave me right here alone. Yeah, yes, I know you. I know you. My friends, I know you. As soon as one get his level, oh, gone. I might not be able to see him in the live stream unless that level is either hit or either the SL is hit. So this much, I mean, this much permission you guys give me to keep it to me, and I reveal things, I don't hide it from anyone. My trades are in front of you. Everything is transparently right here in front of you. But if right now, if I say gold is doing this, if I disclose my own opinion even right now, most of you are not going to stay with me till the end. Just 9 or maybe 8 or 9 who are really my own good people, like the Marcos, Volnis, Volvic, 777, Geoffrey, Patrick, and some others. Sorry if I forget your names. They are till the end with me, even if I disclose my levels. Plus, one other thing, my friend, I have observed. You know, most of the traders copy my weekly forecast system. This without giving me any credit, and you know how that painful is right here inside. Because if other one is copying my forecast, for example, I said a level, and if that is copying on his channel or her channel or his channel and selling that to others, I think that's something I don't like. It has now got into this consolidation right here. Now we need to see after all what this consolidation means. My strategy, my method, everything I have shared everywhere. Just understand the candles for now. Okay, below 4031 I'm looking for a breakout. How that breakout trade will be, it will be in front of you. But as far as it is above this, I don't look at it bullish. I don't look for buy opportunity. Did you see me taking any buy trade today? All of them I took to the sell side. So there must be something, and that something I will be disclosing in the end. But obviously position tradings right here, stay with me, I will be explaining that as well. Because then market will need to defend 4031 on the higher time frames as well. Now even we haven't seen during the live, we haven't seen any H1 candle close yet. So everything will be dependent on the H1, M15, H4 candles combination together. Because the next hour it can again go and rush back to 4038. How that trade looks like, well, it will be in front of us. And even if I want to trade this as a buy, I can trade it. Let me count. 19 pips it is. Okay, but I am not most sure about this buy. Okay, yes, I think maybe it is going to break. I leave it one pip TP. So let me add the whole take profit for today is 89 pips for today. 89 pips. Okay, just see this miraculous strategy. I need a thumbs up on the stream so I can reach to more people just like you, because you know life is very hard, my friend. Not just trading but even the real life, full of worries. There are a lot of the traders who are hiding pain inside their guts, okay, inside their hearts, inside their minds. They cannot tell their parents, they cannot tell their partner that hey, we are losing, we are on a lose. Why? Because we are always worried about our image, that our image will get destroyed. Yes, and this is true. In the 9-10 years I have met people, I know other stories, but obviously I cannot say the names since there is a confidentiality law I have, and I want to keep that secret with me. But if I sum up, the thing is 95% of the traders who come to me are hiding a lot of the pain in their hearts hiddenly, not sharing it with anyone. So once they speak with me, their hearts become lighter. Then I try to show them the right way, because every person who comes with to me, situation is different for him. Someone has lent money, borrowed money from someone and is now in loss and now thinking, oh, how will I be recovering it? And that mental stress is putting that person, that trader, further in losing mindsets. Because I clearly mentioned to all of you in my videos that when a person is under huge financial stress, this market may be trying to make hunt that trader as a whole. Each and every stop loss will be taken. Why? Because there is now that urgency behind it. What is behind it? Urgency behind it. When we make it urgent, forget, my friend, if one needs urgently. And obviously if I need urgently, I will be emotionally entering right here as a bull, and then market will be stopping me out with 32 pips. So even if, let's say, this is an intraday example, but same is true for the H1. There the stop loss and the H for and the position trade, there the stop losses are bigger. But take this example for now. Immediately 32 pips. My friend, if here and there we give 32 pips, we give 15 pips, we give 20 pips, by the end of the day what will be left with us? Nothing. But what will left? I wish there left nothing, but there left the market leaves us with something. What is that something? Stress. And being my followers, being my friends, because I consider all of you my friends, okay? Being my friends, the early you understand it, the better it is. I'm not telling to you, okay, maybe you are profitable, who knows, okay, don't mind this thing. I'm not because behind the camera, you know, there are maybe, okay, I hope you get what I want to say. So I don't want to demotivate you, but under urgency and under stress, this market is not going to work, but it is going to work against. Please understand it. I request you understand it. See, it is your own money. Money is your own. If you are losing, it is not, you are not losing it from my pocket. Okay? You are not losing from my pocket. You are losing your own money. If you are winning, you are winning your own money. But the reason I want to tell these things is because I have experience with talking to thousands and thousands of the traders in these 9 years, and I know a lot of, like, more than 1,000 stories I have in mind that I came across with people, and those are the harsh realities. I'm right here to expose them, because most of the market makers and those psychology videos, the edited one, you know, most of us are always like after those edited videos where a person just say and nothing. This is not buy. Like, see right here, how this market is going to work is by this. See, this is my book from 2019 and I have like 6 such bigger books. Even one is bigger than this. See how older it is. Let me show you. It has a lot of my experience in it. Every day I try to journal things. Every day. So what I'm telling you is right here. See, from my own experience. From my own experience, I open for example, right here I wrote, for example, the trader will have no interest when the market is very slow. So I was coming across in such situation and I'm so sure and I'm so lucky that I have recorded that oh, breakout seems to be happening. The beginner mistake I'm going to do can be a false one, okay, can be a good false one. So 82 pips I made. I'm taking 158 pips of risk. So out of this 158 pips, I already got good. Okay, the H1 candle is also going to close, but oh, I did a little bit. Let's see. Okay, I did a little bit, but the thing is, the next candle can continue pushing up till here, and then who knows there it stops or not. So I will see that. Okay. Now, who was all asking me about a 61.8? Here that is okay. We need something, okay, right here. I was explaining, so I cannot get full concentration on this one. Side by side there will be, oh, so this is happening. Do you remember I discussed, I will be showing you some strategies. This is that hedging stuff. So let's see this one as well, okay. Hasni, no, I'm not from Lahore. Islamabad, the capital. Most of my other colleagues, YouTubers from Pakistan, they left for Dubai because they wanted to show Ferraris and stuff like that, which was not possible right here. But I just want to stay right here with my kids. Yes, my friend, I just like to live here. You know, there is only one life we get, and even if that life we don't spend it for ourselves, then I think what type of a life that will be then. Okay, the H1 candle got closed. I am expecting that this candle continues high, maybe till here, and then from there it drop. Okay, but for this buy trade, I'm like setting a TP right here, just 71 pips. So this trade, you see 85 pips, it is negative, but out of this 85 pips, 70 pips will, how much? 71 pips will be already recovered. Do you get it? Now there will be a little bit of a bullish story going on as well. Let's move this stop to break even for now. Later we can enter later then, okay? Then maybe a breakout from this level. Because see, these candles are telling us something. Okay, out of this 70 pips is booked, okay? Now do you see this rejection? 14 pips rejection, my friend. Now we have to see, I'm going to change the color of it. It means something. It means something very important to us. This M15 candle, if we see, people are buying right here, the intraday ones. My friend, if a next candle opens, it can open and stop you out in 73 pips. Then what you do? Then what will you do? And even there is also no guarantee. Who knows, this candle cannot stop right here and continue bullish and hit the SL. But at least I will be happy that out of that SL I have made something. But obviously this is a strong selling area, 4045 in such situations, okay? But it can stop us out, no problem. Let it stop me out. Because bulls are crazy from yesterday. And this is how people get stuck, okay? I don't call myself stuck on this trade, but this if I say, this is a little bit of emotional thing. I did not wait it. See, everything is in front of us transparently. This market tells us that, hey Aftab, you are in this much negative because you did not waited for a proper breakout, then a retest, then this sell was supposed to be taken, then this was supposed to be a proper trade. So if we don't if we keep do these mistakes, obviously this market is going to give us such losses. Now for example, if I'm stuck in a trade, the first thing I want to do is to leave this market as soon as possible, or to book some profits as well to the other side of the market, because this level is now gone. Perhaps this level as well. So now these are the levels for us. So let's see what it gives us and what it doesn't give us. Let me add a 4035, a buy limit right here. 4035, a buy limit. In ideal circumstances it should work, But let me delete it and let's wait for 15-minute candle to close first, because it got a rejection. So let's see. Okay, here I want to show you something. Let's see. Pay close attention. This is a learning thing. Right now it can be a false breakout from this level. So a break below and then the market continue back down. So we need to see whether this breakout is now, like, we are in a breakout validation zone. Okay, this is in simple words I want to say. Above 4047 it will be a strong bullish rally back to 4070. Okay, yes my friends, I think it is going bullish. Let's wait for some more candles because I now see something else. Stay. Okay, let it come back down a little bit, then I will see what I need to do. A 5-minute candle closing in 2 minutes, so that will decide what, if that candle closes below this, then there is a good chance it can drop again. But see, this is a breakout and this is that retest level now, and it can be a false breakout, it can be a real breakout if markets stay above this level. So in next 1 minute we need to see this candle close below. If I want to leave the market right here, I can leave because 70 pips I already made from the bullish. So overall I am in 89 plus 89 plus 72. Overall I am in 161 pips of a take profit today. Even if I close it right now, still for the rest of the day I will be, even if I don't trade further, I will be in profit. Okay, and even if I close this at 72 pips, I still will have 89 pips of a take profit. Okay, so this candle closed now below this level. But this level is also still holding. Okay, let's delete this level for now, this one, and let me show you this. This is now an important level and we need a 15-minute candle to close below this. Look at the color of this box that I drew. So in next around 5 minutes this candle is going to close. We need to see how it closes. Almost, like till now so far this is a wick of 70 pips approximately, and market is going to be very crazy. So that was the reason to book some tiny profits from those quick trades that market was giving me, so that later when I take a trade with a bigger, and yesterday I did the same, because sometimes market will be just like it was on Friday, we giving 700 pips in profit, then on Thursday giving 400 pips on profit, then on Wednesday giving us how much pips of profit, 400. And then sometimes markets will be in such a zone where we have to change our approach. So now this approach is good. We need to see how this candle reacts right here, because this bullish candle is holding the market, no doubt. And if I show you, there is also these bulls didn't came from a normal level. They got a rejection from 61.8. But since I was talking to all of you, I accidentally mistakenly take this trade, and this is completely a bad trade, I should say. Okay, so right now you can say Aftab is holding a bad trade. Yes, since it was above 4031, it was supposed to be buy. If I was not looking for a buy, still this was not supposed to be for a sell. Okay, so yes, I am at the moment holding a buy, a sell position from a buy place. Okay, so a bad trade, and you need to learn from my mistakes as well, because professionals do mistakes as well. Okay, everyone do mistake, but then we have to know how we manage those mistakes. This is then the real thing. So immediately I took that buy trade. Okay, immediately. It can be a consolidation zone of around 40-50 pips, but if this candle closes engulfing, then situation will be bad. Okay, situation will be then very bad. Let's see. Look at this candle. Do you see these two candles, and then this candlestick formation right here? What it tells us? It tells us a very important story. So let's see, 1 minute left in the 15-minute candle to close, and it can be a very crazy bullish market then. I think my stop loss is sacrificed. Okay, I get the direction now. Do you see this RSI right here and here? Something is going on, okay? This pattern needs to be breached. Otherwise, this is going further up. This is the level, okay? This is, I'm looking for 4035, a very golden level it can be. Let's wait for it. Bulls are trying to struggle here, but let's see them first, okay? If they are giving us this correction or not, it will depend. 1 minute, one candle, two candle, this is the third 5 minute candle. So 10 minute it already spent right here. This is no doubt bullish, but it cannot close bullish engulfing. So if these bulls are there, where are they? Why they are not pushing the market further up? So it can tell us that if a price back down can be a very good buy trade. And if this level is broken, then I think maybe it is going to 4060 then, and 4070. So step by step we will be looking at it. You know, my friends, in life, if I tell you something about, I'm going a little bit off the topic, but sometimes in life people will be hurting you a lot. I ask you, my friends, why people hurt each other this much, huh? Why, like why? Sometimes the own relatives keep hurting, keep hurting, keep hurting. Why? Because being different from them, being not agreeing with them, that's why. I have a lot of personal, some other stories that I want to talk to someone about, but then I say, people, guys, come here, right here, and then if I start to open my own life chapters, they will get bored. I can sense that maybe the market is approaching this level. Further 118 pips. Oh, my friend, I see something from yesterday. Do you remember this? Oh, this is a long-term trade now, my friends. Let's do the Fibonacci first. My friend, I think there is something else happening, okay? I closed that cell. Let's come right here to this. Look at this. My friends, look at this. Look at these plans of mine. It is going 592 pips approximately. But I can lose very badly on this one. This rally can continue possibly. At least this much is not gone anywhere. 500, 478 pips up move. This is same trade as we have got near right here, okay? There we have got a pattern, so let's see if we get a pattern right here, if it come back down till here and then it continue bullish or what it does. Because dollar index, if we see, sort of a rejection it took as well. And there is this 61.8 not yet hit exactly, okay? This one 98, with little difference it go. So my friends, this is now bullish. Yes, I think so, this is bullish. Do your proper research and all that. Look at it, it closed above all of the moving averages. Let's see it right here. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Who was asking me about the position trade? This is the position trade that I'm holding. This is the first TP, this is the second TP. This will be a level as well. This is though a key level that I will be looking for a breakout further. Okay, because market can get a rejection from here back till here as well. May not be the case. Okay, not ideal for selling maybe. We will confirm that later whether it is good for selling or not when price will be there actually. A further 275 pips up move. The more it come down, the more I buy. Okay, on the basis of this pattern. Hardly I will give the last week's profit, so I'm comfortable giving that back in order to trade this setup. Okay, but this is my formula. Okay, this is my formula and methodology. I'm comfortable with it. So you need to be comfortable. But my first thoughts are that maybe it should continue from right here because I see something. Okay, that's why I tell you. Let's patiently wait for it and see what it gives us. Most of them are selling right here. I'm against it because we have a bullish engulfing on the H4. Do you see this bullish engulfing on the H4 right here? This one, this. And if it gets rejected, still it will be bullish engulfing, but it can do this as well. Okay. So if this setup fails, it will be giving good downward moves then. And we have got a rejection as well. But anyways, these are long-term trades. Even if I'm stopped out, I may not be caring that much about it. I only will be caring if it get a rejection from right here, and if it come back down still that's fine, but if it closes below this then I will have some problem. I will either need to hedge or either do something else. Okay, big volume is expected, so if that is to the sell side of the market, my friend, we are gone. I'm gone then. My SL is gone just like yesterday. And huge stop loss I'm holding today. But obviously my position is not that bigger, so I shouldn't be worried about that. And if I get worried, I think then that's not the right thing. Okay, this whole depends on this H1 candle closing. Euro became bullish as well. Pound sort of like a indecision maybe. See this plan, okay? Right here. Let's see it on a daily a little bit. It is showing a very big spike up, okay? But I may be wrong. I may be wrong. I'm not saying I'm 100% right. It depends on a lot of the things. But till tomorrow, till this week again, I think maybe now. Here is my statement. As far as it is above 4020 on the H4, it will be going back up to 4100. Where 4100 or 4160. But for now, take profit 14100. Then we see okay 4160 or not. This is the moving average crossed below and is trying to cross above. So this indicates a strong up move. There is this 200 moving average, okay, this one 4066, and look at it right here. It is a bit struggling, but let's see, okay, because now I saw something. See, once patiently we do it, we get good trade opportunities. Just see 167 pips I'm getting from it. $40.94 is my take profit one. Around 478 pips that will be. Oh, 4060, it is struggling. 4061. Look at the profit, okay, in terms of pips. Even if I want to close it, I close it. And just I enjoy the rest of the day. But I want to be in the market for a little while. Let's see, okay. Let's see. Look at it on the H4. 4075 I'm a little bit afraid of, but let's see. Let's see what will be my opinion there. Oh, it is hitting this moving average. This is moving average 50. Okay, look at my stop loss as well. Okay, bearish engulfing, but let's see. If this bearish engulfing fails, then it's going to continue further high, otherwise it can come back down to 4052. Let's patiently listen the prayer call. I closed. Okay, I re-enter from here. So you see, this is how I trade, my friends. And even I don't need to hold for very long sometimes. Okay. Remember, market is not going anywhere from us. Okay, everyone, let me, because I'm done for the day, so let me give you an analysis for tomorrow. Just like yesterday, I did by deleting everything. Okay, this market, there are a lot of the levels. First, it is obviously bearish below this zone. From up there, that is the 4200 is the master level. You will remember I discussed it in the weekly forex forecast videos. So on top of that, there is another 61.8% retracement. 4130 it comes. Okay, 4130. So and above 4130 it shows this 4104. So both of these levels are very much important for us. While this level, if we see this level, this is a classic 61.8 of these people. Okay, even I discussed this level in the weekly forex forecast videos. Let me explain a little bit again for all of you. See, this is a broken level right here, and yesterday and today we have got a retest. Then this bullish opportunity back to 4130 will get more momentum if we get a daily candle closes as this right here today. So at this stage, on the basis of the H4, well, yes, it can tells us different things, that at least 4104 today till NY session is open, it can literally hit that. Okay, yes, but I think this daily candle close will be much important for us, so that's why I'm not further trading it, because I'm more tired. And we can see that Wu candles as well. Now also let me tell you that if, I'm not saying it is, if it continues as a bullish, then it will be pointing us to uh, 4357 again, to this resistance, as I said it in my last weekly forex forecast video. Check it out for gold that I did. So then yes, this will be with us as a breakout zone, clear breakout zone, and inside these are the weekly and intraday levels, so I can mark it as this. Okay, so yes, this is how it is still here, between 4020 and 4100 it is bullish, and then 4130 it is also bullish. So then let's see how we can get these trade opportunities and what they give us. If you have any questions, you are most welcome. Otherwise, I will be winding up the session. So those of you who were with me, just give me one moment. Okay, I'll be right back. Just one moment. One moment. Then there is something right here as well. Let me have some water. You guys didn't give me enough likes. Okay. But still, thank you so much for the 17 likes. Now let's see. Let's see. Okay. Right here. market, since I have booked my daily profits from the market, so now let me show you something. You know, this candle right here, we need to wait for this closing. Yes, then I will be in a better position to leave you with a good trade opportunity. If you are holding from right here, see there is this pattern it formed. Let me get rid of these moving averages. I don't need them anymore. I also don't need that. And what is this cell? Let's delete this as well. Now everything will be very much clear for us. 4023, no, it is actually 4008, but I will say 40. Let's do it from the daily Fibonacci from right here till up there. 61.8% retracement. Previous 2 weeks, what happened? This, you will remember I traded with you. Then I said it's going to come back down to another 61.8% retracement. It did. Now is the time for the bulls. This 4020 level is for the bulls. Bulls need to defend it, and they appeared right here today. So most probably they are trying 4104, but their ultimate level will be 4130 now. And above 4130, a breakout and then a retest, that will be separately treated. Okay, completely separately it will be treated as this. So we need to wait for this H1 candle to close, but I still think it is going further up, right? 4104 is the level. We can look at it this way. All of the bulls who entered yesterday, just like me, I was entering as well as a bull. So I think this daily candle, now the market situation is in such a way that it can take over. Okay, it can take over. I took a stop loss of 68 pips. Okay, I made good profit, so out of that profit I'm risking again 68 pips because I see something. Okay, there is this change of character occurred on the 15-minute as well. Let's see if occurred or not. See, but then my stop loss is still a bit in not good place, I should say. It must be below this trend line, but anyways, let's see. While most beginner traders are going to sell from here, sell from here, sell, but there is liquidity for them. The market makers see liquidity right here. They see liquidity right here. Okay, they see liquidity. Let's move right here. Mark this level. $4070 as promised, it hit. I reduced stop to 24 pips because this is anyways a scalping trade, last trade of the day. I was not supposed to be trading, but this is market, it will be teasing around with us, right? So on the 5-minute it looks as this. 34 pips. Let's see what it gives me. I see a big sharp up move further. Okay, but later we will see. Nice stop loss will be right here for this trade. Even this is not a buying zone for new fresh bulls, okay, but even not a sell zone because it is confirmed for bulls. I booked 9 pips of a loss, no problem. Anyways, everyone, every level I have discussed with all of you. Tomorrow we will again be looking for from the same level. So thank you so much, everyone. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know. Let me quickly thanks to all of you who chatted right here. Greg Blonsky, thank you so much. Hasni, thank you so much for being here with me. Dakir, thank you. Power, thank you. Coyote Samuel, Ziaur Rahman, Amar Sajid, Samad Siddiqui, PS Kumar Reddy. Volnes Volvic is missing today. But anyways, let's see. I see your likes reduced. Why did I say something bad or something? Like, please don't do these things, okay? See you tomorrow. Take a lot of care of yourself. I love you all. Goodbye.